Hey guys, welcome to Mat-110. This is an online math course. It is also not transferable. So if you're planning on transferring to a four-year college, you need to contact your advisor and look into this. This course also has a co-req. So some of you, if you were signed up for the course Mat-110 or Mat-010, that is another course that goes along with this course that kind of helps you with it, depending on what your GPA was in high school or how long it has been since you graduated high school. Depends on if you needed that course or not. I am, like I said, my name is Mary Carson, and I've been teaching here for 6 years almost now. I have taught lots of different courses. Mat-110, pre-calculus algebra, pre-calculus trig. I have taught some of the developmental classes. Math-143, which is a quantitative literacy course. I have also taught a statistics class. Just a little bit of background information. I taught at North Pitt High School for 7 years. So I have a little bit of high school background as well. I live in Bethel, which is about 15-20 minutes from here in Pitt County, and I grew up in Belvoir, North Carolina, which is like another 10 minutes from Bethel, which is also in Pitt County. I went to North Pitt High School and then graduated from ECU for my undergraduate, and then got my master's also at ECU. I am married and I have 2 children, 2 girls, a 6-year-old and 2-year-old. That's about it. So I wanted to do a little introduction to the course with you guys as well, kind of walk you through some of the things that you will see in the course. I know that, some of you guys may not like math and you're not as comfortable with math, and that's okay. I know that some of you wish it wasn't online, but for a lot of the trades courses, the issues with this was that we just couldn't find a time that worked with everyone's schedule. And so that's why we ended up putting it online. So for some of you that are really struggling with the online aspect, please reach out to me. I'm here on campus often, and we could set up a time that, if you wanted to come once a week or twice a week and come meet with me, we could talk about things. You can always submit things to me through email as well if you're having issues with Moodle. I'm willing to work with each of you, so please just reach out to me and we can work out something. When you log into Moodle and you select the class, again, this is not going to start until the day of the class starts, which is on the 10th, which is Monday. You will see the start here resources. This introduces you to the class. Your mandatory enrollment assignment will be due on January 20th. And then this kind of goes over the course description, goes over what office number I'm located at, when I'm available. Again, just email me. And even if these times don't work, we can set up another time. My office number, and then my email. This is where you're going to go to take the mandatory enrollment assignment, which again is due January 20th. If you do not take this by that date, you will be withdrawn from the course. So make sure you do this as soon as you can. And then you're going to go here to the syllabus instructor interaction plan and course outline. So attached here, I have your syllabus. Every week you're going to be given weekly assignments. Maybe that may be an assignment or a quiz or a test, just depending on what it is. You're going to be given PowerPoints and videos that I make for the PowerPoints. And then your assignments are always going to be due on Wednesday. So every week, make sure you get on Moodle to look at your assignment. I have attached your syllabus. So look at that. So here's your syllabus. I've outlined some of your learning outcomes, our COVID policy, disability statement, our textbook that's required. You're going to have to get your textbook. I know some of you, it may take you a little while to get your textbooks. The first week or two is not required, that you can get by without having the textbook for the first 2 weeks, because I give you PowerPoints and notes and a separate assignment that's not in the textbook. Your major tests are 40%. Quizzes, graded homework is 40%. I'm also going to add in here your participation, which is going to be from your videos. I have a little questions at the end of your videos. That's going to be a participation grade, which is also going to go on the quizzes and graded homework. And then your final exam counts as 20%. And attendance will also be based off that participation. Okay. Let's see. So you guys can read over all of this. I do not really offer extra credit, but there are some things that I do to kind of help your grades. Here is an instructor interaction plan. Make sure you read over this. This just kind of tells you when I'm available, how often I check my email, where to find certain things. Okay. Then I also have an outline. This is not set in stone, meaning it may change depending on, you know, whether, if I notice you guys need more help in something, but this is just kind of a tentative schedule. And so we'll kind of go by that. And then I have an online course netiquette guide. This kind of can apply for any online class. It kind of goes over general guidelines of how you should treat your instructor, other people in your class. That goes over email netiquette, discussion board netiquette if we have one. So just some general guidelines to help you know how to, you know, behave in an online class. All right, and then once you go through all of that and you have already done the mandatory attendance assignment, you can go to our week 1 assignments, okay? I will always try to have your objectives for the week listed. So what am I expecting you to know how to do? So first week, we're going to be covering 1.1 through 1.3 objectives in your book, which means calculate ratios, solve proportions, solve problems involving proportions, write fractions and decimals as percents, convert percents to decimals, numbers and fractions, and solve problems involving percents. So this week, what I've attached is you have 3 PowerPoint videos that I have created. And what I tell people to do is you can go ahead and print these PowerPoints so that when you watch these interactive videos, you can kind of write notes on your PowerPoints as you go. I have created these interactive videos so that I know that you're watching these videos first of all, and at the end of this video, you will see some questions. So let me play this.
But there is a quiz and that you guys need to make sure you take. And that's it. Thank you.
So at the end of the video, and again, I just went over the PowerPoint notes, you'll see an open summary dialogue. You need to select this, and then it just asks you, a question. Which of the following proportions are equal? Is this equal to that? Is this equal to that? Is this equal to that? So I'm going to select this one. All right, so I got that one right. So we go to the next question. Again, this is going to count. These questions are going to count as your participation grade. Okay, and it just shows me that you have watched the video and you have completed it. Okay, so then you need to watch the next video. There's 3 videos on here. And again, you'll watch the whole video. And then at the end, there should be a question at the end.
This section. If you guys have any questions, please email me.
All right, so here's the open summary dialogue. Click on that and it gives you a question. And I got that one right. Now, do you have to get it right? No, but you can complete it again and it'll give you the right answer, okay? And then there's the last video. You'll need to watch that whole video, take notes on it, and then at the end, there will be
thank you very much for your attention. See you next.
A question. And I'm just gonna, see, that one's wrong. So can I pick out the right answer? There's the right answer, okay?
Time.
And then let's go back to week 1. After you do your notes and you watch your videos, you'll have your assignment. Now, the first assignment is due on the next Wednesday, okay? You have 9 days to complete your first assignment, so that's plenty of time to get it done. What you can do is you open this assignment. Again, you must have Word, if you do not have a recent copy of Word, this is not going to show up correctly. Okay, you won't see these little fractions up here. You need to make sure you have a recent copy of Word open on your laptop or your desktop. And then you can write your answers on this paper. You can take a picture of it. You can scan it. You can type your answers into here, but you're gonna submit it here as your answer. Okay. So every week you'll have assignments kind of like this. As always, please email me with any questions. I look forward to working with each of you.